welcome to Little Flippers. Today we're going to be learning a hand-eye coordination activity using a colander with Manea. Manea, say hi. Hey. Manea, you want to try? Can you put it in the hole for me? Find your hole. Which hole do you want to put it in? Hold it up. Where's it going to go? Try again. Nearly. One of the reasons why we incorporate hand-eye coordination activities into our curriculum is because it's very essential for reading and decoding, because what it does is it allows the child to follow their hand movements with their eyes, which also you'll find that it assists with their writing skills as they get older as well. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Say bye, Naya. Say bye. Bye.